Meron pa silang game room, oh. Well, ito, I don't know kung paano ito laruin. And I don't know kung ano ang tawag sa game na to. O yan. And merong billiard. Yan. Ah. Eto, hindi ko alam kung paano itong laruin. Oh! Oh, I don't know. What do you call this game? Anyway, meron din silang gym. Somewhere dito, may gym. And this is the toilet. Yun pala yung gym nila, oh. Yun ang gym. May mga tao dun. Yan ang gym. So, kahit na malamig, you can still do your thing kasi yung fitness mo dahil nasa loob naman siya ng building. Okay.